So we're gonna start doing assortments, and we're gonna do the in-store assortments, which they look absolutely gorgeous. This is their $550 palette. Looks great. 550 for these really good ones. Now, you're gonna say, is that they get up to like these assortments are pretty good though, honestly. Sorry. Uh, Martian, the heat is on. Nature Boy. This is all gold, man. This is like a gold mine. This is $1,500, and it comes with a dirty Sanchez. Oh my gosh! Whoever doesn't buy, if you want something and you want to flex, I'd get this one all day. This is just that's a clean one right there. Now, we'll get to the assortments, but let's just take a look at these backpacks real quick. All these backpacks are $18, and then they have the tubs up there. And then we have small ones right here. Let's just look at the price on them. These are $30. Those are 15. I know I passed by a bunch of cakes, guys, but whew, you wouldn't believe. Whew. I mean, there's also cake assortments technically, like the warehouse. This is $420 for the warehouse bundle. Comes with a lot. And there's A and there's B. And then we have the Magnus assortment right here for $300. We have the Masterclass assortment for $380. We have Bigger Than Your assortment. That one's going for $600 by Big. Then we have the World Classes assortment. Never knock on World Class. $300. They're not bad. $500 Brothers. I would, if I had to choose an assortment, I would pick Brothers though. They are very good. CEO of assortments right here would be $750. Jeez, I used to watch Will Jeezy. He made these assortment videos. I always watch them, and that's why I made my first one like a few days ago. Ended up bashing on it, but hey, at least I'm honest with you. Not gonna lie to you. I know some fireworks stands that sell for like $1,100. So for $600, you get all of this. Pick it up. I mean, come on, guys. Forget about it. It's a cake. Oh, wait. Back it up. Is there an assortment over here? No, they're just other assortments. Like, this is $250 for all of that. And then we got the Armory by Big, which is $215. It's not bad. Take a look. Not bad product. Would I have it? No. Not really a big fan. I've had some of their stuff, but at the end of the day, everyone has their own opinion. Since it was just sitting right here, how much is this, by the way? It's $125. Okay, we got the Liberty assortment. That one's going for $100. That's some fun. We got a bunch of 160. Okay, it's a bunch of fireworks. We got the Treasure Island, the Pirate assortment. Okay, I'd nearly pick it up just for the box. But take a look. Comes with a whole bunch of stuff. $100. Shogun. Jake. $200. This is $250. Incinerator. 70. 100. 200. Okay, I thought they're gonna have a lot more assortments. but this is not bad. We got by Midwest Pyro. We got $80 assortment with the Kuko. I don't know. $100. Judgment Day was $250. This is the Party Time, $70. Got a little dragon on the bottom. Dark Metal, $120. Backyard is $90. $230 for that. Look at that. This one here is $75. Okay, this. Wait a second. There's a lot of fountains and a lot of space. Look. Fountain, I believe. And then fountains right there. Be careful. $75 though, that's a pretty good deal. That is a pretty good deal. $99. Alright, so this is where this side's where it actually begins. Worth it. $109. Not bad. $60 for that. I'd pick that. This looks pretty good. Most wanted assortments for $180. Mostly cakes, okay. $180. This one's $110. This one right here, let's see. There's a lot of cardboard in it though. Just be aware. On the top. This one is $350. This one's $189, but that thing is heavy, so there's a reason why it's so expensive. Got a whole bunch of them in there. How many? No idea. $190. $90. TNT fireworks. Oof, a lot of feeler. For $250, if you just want to go for your classic assortment you've always bought your entire life, yeah. But if you want to spice it up, I would get a different one. These are also 1-inch canisters. Sorry. Oh, there's so many assortments. Flash Flood, pretty good, $90. We got Desert at Night, comes with this one, $120. Have It All by Brothers, $100. Brothers actually prices their stuff pretty well. Like, yeah, it has a lot of fountains, but most of their fountains last more than 10 seconds. Ooh, Secret Vault for $60. Would recommend. $44 for this one. Gold Star, $100. And they Brothers packs down their assortments. They kind of care. Kinda. $160. $54.99. $69. $66.99. $69. $45 for all of that. Maybe. $90. $50. $50. $120. Exclusive. $200. You know, I haven't seen a New Yorker assortment though. What's this? Elite Mortar? What? $36. Check this out. It's a Roman candle. Don't get me wrong. But it's a pretty interesting Roman candle. It's like Trying to be sad if, you know, station like this, but then someone just went whoop, and all of a sudden it's a firework with a tripod. Anyways, let's get back to what I was talking about here. Backyard fireworks is $90. We got these things too. Totem. Since it was already open. It was already open. Oh, okay. Let me close it. Don't be rude. This is $55, $70, $85, $75, $180. Its Prox is always expensive to me personally. $75, $50, $80. It kind of reminds me of the New Yorker assortment from Phantom. And I think that's it. We might be done. That was the assortments. Well, actually, wait. Since I showed it on my cake video, that $2,500 one, I believe. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.